What if I told you the most creative minds in history didn't win by focusing on one thing, but by learning how to connect many things deeply? Leonardo da Vinci wasn't great because he narrowed his focus. He was great because he combined deep focus with wide curiosity. Painting, anatomy, engineering, architecture, biology. Steve Jobs did the same thing. Technology, design, calligraphy. Today we call this way of thinking polymathy. And here's the truth most people miss. This isn't a rare talent, it's a trainable mental strategy. Neuroscience shows it's one of the fastest ways to upgrade your creative intelligence. And in this video, you're going to learn how to start using it yourself. Modern education trains specialists. One lane, one skill, one narrow identity. And don't get me wrong, specialization works, but it has a hidden cost. It shrinks the network your brain uses to create ideas. Creativity doesn't come from information alone. It comes from how your brain connects ideas across different domains. When you only live in one mental neighborhood, your ideas start to look familiar, predictable, safe. That's why so many people feel stuck creatively, even though they know a lot. Polymathy is often misunderstood. It's not multitasking. It's not shallow learning. It's not collecting random skills like trophies. True polymathy is structured cross-domain learning. You go deep in multiple fields, and your brain starts building bridges between them. That's where originality is born. Leonardo studied anatomy not to become a doctor, but to paint movement, tension, and life more realistically. He wasn't collecting knowledge, he was connecting systems. Your brain doesn't work in isolated boxes, it works in networks. 1. Neural network expansion. When you learn different disciplines, you activate distant brain regions. Creativity emerges when idea generation networks and evaluation networks start talking to each other. 2. Analogical thinking. Elite problem solvers don't just ask, "What's the solution in my field?" They ask, "Where have I seen this structure before?" This is called analogical thinking, and it's one of the strongest predictors of creative breakthroughs. Polymaths are better at this because they have more mental worlds to pull from. 3. Cognitive flexibility. Learning across domains increases your ability to shift perspectives. This is strongly linked to creativity, adaptability, and long-term intelligence growth. Da Vinci wasn't alone. Benjamin Franklin, printer, inventor, diplomat, scientist. Richard Feynman, physicist, artist, storyteller, bongo player. Steve Jobs, technology plus design plus calligraphy. Elon Musk, physics plus engineering plus economics. The pattern is clear. Breakthroughs happen between disciplines, not inside them. Here's how you apply this in real life. Step 1. Choose one anchor field. This is your home base, your main skill. Step 2. Add one distant field. Not adjacent, distant. Examples: tech plus psychology, business plus philosophy, design plus biology. Distance creates creative friction. Step 3. Extract transferable patterns. Ask, how does this field solve problems? What metaphors does it use? How does it model reality? Step 4. Force integration. Write, teach, or explain one field using the language of the other. This is where intelligence compounds. 1. Daily micro-exploration. Spend 15 minutes a day learning something far from your main field. 2. Connection journal. Write down patterns, ideas, and strange connections you notice between domains. This trains your brain to think in bridges instead of boxes. AI can access information faster than you. What it can't easily replicate is cross-domain intuition, lived analogies, human pattern synthesis, embodied understanding. In the AI era, connection is more valuable than knowledge. Leonardo da Vinci didn't ask, "What should I focus on?" He asked, "What else might be connected?" If you want to grow your creative intelligence, don't just go deeper, go wider, but do it with intention. And if you want more videos on psychology, learning, and building a sharper mind in the age of AI, subscribe and join me on this journey.